Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers.
Oh, is that what I think it is?
I can
That
see-
looks mighty like a jetpack.
That's pretty cool.
But is that going to make a person fly? That doesn't look powerful. Whoa,
Okay.
Okay.
That'd be nice on the skateboard, let's be honest. They've
Some
all
nice
been there.
lightweighting. Some really nice lightweighting. Oh, wow. Look at the size of that Nerf gun in the background.
Look at all these bits though. I'm looking at how it's put together because I want to make one.
Oh, that's amazing. Have you ever seen the actual jetpack man, Gravity Labs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a flyby from the founder of that company when I
Did
was
you?
on a boat on our way to the Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier for a conference, and out of the distance comes this guy in a jetpack, just flies right up to us on our little boat, and then flies off and does a flyby for every boat on the way to the ship.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.